This is the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom.
A walk-in closet.
And there is a
You have a
bathroom.
master bath. You're on the second floor.
I'm going to stand behind you and turn the lights off as you.
It's got a full bath.
And another closet.
Yes, and another closet. That could be Dad's, because we know that Mom has lots of clothes. And then out this way,
Is
into the hall, you have the stairwell
Stairs.
going down.
and here's another
You have
bathroom.
another full bath.
And right there is a bathtub with the shower. Here's where you put your soap.
Okay. And then come out, and you go to the left, and you have the second bedroom, which is pretty good size.
And here's the closet.
It has a regular closet.
You can put some stuff up there.
You have some
Another closet.
storage. Okay, shut that one.
Another.
More storage. This is the
And here's
third bedroom upstairs.
And here is another closet with a big mirror. And here's some furniture.
Okay, and now we'll go downstairs.
Now we're gonna go look downstairs. Here are the stairs. There's a front door.
There's the front door. Why don't you make a, go that way.
Here is a closet where you can put some stuff. And there's still a hanger.
To the right, when you walk in, is a large, could be living room,
This can be a
den.
This can be a playroom.
It's got the sliding door.
Here.
Go out to the, no, to the backyard.
Backyard.
Then you go through the little hallway.
Here we go.
Katie, watch
Here's
out.
another thing.
Here's your AC unit. Watch out, move.
And where?
Wait. You have a little
Here. Oh, no one.
half bath.
Here we go. Without a bath. With another closet back here.
Oh, it's a closet. Okay, shut it.
And there's a screwdriver. And here we go to
Oh, the pantry.
here upstairs. The stairs right here. And some
Okay,
little shelves.
come out and shut that. Then you have your dining room and your kitchen.
Where you can put your table over there, your kitchen. Right
And see, you'll see that this adjoins to the front door. Now,
here.
if you go out the door from the kitchen, you have what's like a little mud room.
Which is the garage.
Off to the left is the garage. Looks like they closed in part of the garage to make the mudroom, so you could pull your full car in on the left, not quite a full car in on the right, unless you had maybe a Mini Cooper. Nice big window in the garage.
There's some furniture.
And then back
Gonna
in.
close the door now.
Okay, into the mudroom. This is the laundry room that we talked about. You have your dryer, and this is off to the right. And if you go the other way, you have extra storage. The room is elongated, attic access.
And another furniture.
Then into the main add-on room, which is rather large. Nice vaulted ceilings.
You got a long light.
You got outdoor access door. You have the fireplace. It's a very, very large room. Then you come in and you have another, what could be used as a bedroom with outdoor access, with more closet space,
This
and
closet is a little messed up.
its own full bath.
Here there is a bigger bathroom. And here's the
And
bathroom.
there is a small portion of the yard
Here's the
that is
bathroom with the.
fenced. Okay, he can't hear me.
And here's the bathroom.
And that is the main layout. It's a very good sized lot, and you can see that this room is rather large. Go that way. Go that way.
Is it a log?
No, I don't know what it is.
Here, I really like this one. Here's another lamp, which you can.
Katie, that doesn't stay with the house. So shh. But it definitely has a lot of potential and a lot of space that you could do all kinds of stuff with.
It's a big house.